when somebody says you can't do something, does that happen often? Does somebody say, no, you can't do that? You have to stand back and think, why? I know I was told I couldn't do stuff, and I thought, well, I can either stand and fight, or I can just walk around. And so I learned really early that it was much smarter to go and find people who were going to give me the chance than waste my energy on those who were not going to. Yeah? And you don't, when people tell you you can't do stuff, you don't have to believe them. You can work out, why have they said that? What can I learn from this? And how can I get stronger? And how can I work with those around me to make what I believe is important happen?